What's cooking, Potla? Hi, I've got butter chicken for you. It's going to be delicious and mouth-watering, and it's easy to make at home. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about cooking good food for you. So hit the subscribe button for all the latest videos that come out every week. So let's get cooking. Wow, butter chicken looks awesome. Let's check it out. It's delicious. If you love this video, please subscribe and let me know what you think of the recipe in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you next time.